Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can be small in Meep City. So first off, you want to click on this fourth option right here where you can customize your character and then select this option, body. Now from here you can either select a bundle which is already small in size like so, or if you want to customize your own character, again, the fourth option, you click on body and there is this new size option. So you can directly become either super tall or super short from within this customization option. So before you had to get a preset and do it that way you could become small, but now they have this size option so you can very easily become small. You can reset the avatar and here you can change it to however small wide you want to be, and that is pretty much how you become small or big in Roblox Meep City. I hope this was useful. Leave a like and subscribe if it was. I will see you next time. Goodbye.